Austin Martin, dude, looking at me. What is that? Okay, we got a car in the middle, blocking traffic. Cool, cool. Nobody's gonna let it go. Cool, cool. People are douchebags. Cool, cool. We got a Ferrari coming up, but on the other side. Cool, cool. Pop through, homie. Homie, pop through. There you go. And another one. I did not see you guys. Homies, you butt plugging it. Oh, they're on the, are they on the traffic light back there? Oh, that's so cute. I would turn, but the ride is over and I'm headed home. So for that, we'll be taking a route that I've always wanted to take, but I'm too much of a clown to take. So we're gonna take that. Dude, don't swap lanes. I just feel you're gonna swap lanes on me, homie. And more people just trying to... See, that's what I'm scared of when you're lane splitting. That is what I'm scared of when you're lane splitting. Dude, don't stop in the middle. Talking to this rider. Let me go through. Thank you. Are you looking at me or are you looking at yourself? If you look at yourself, you're gonna cry. Your clutch, your brake isn't working. Your clutch isn't working that well. Switch bikes, I'd recommend. But I like you have that dad thing going on with the undershirt tucked in, boots, and whatever. But I don't know if I respect that or not. Starbucks chick, you're too old for that. I'm sorry, but it's warm, and it's hot, and I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good. I shouldn't be right behind him, but I want a lane split. But this guy's going ultra slow. So, thank you, sir. I'll see you in hell. Let me pause, please. Okay. Okay, good. It's still green. Ooh, girl in a peach dress. That's cool, that's cool. Shorty, we both looking, girl. We both looking at that light. But I can do this and you can't. So that's the difference between me. That's the difference between you. Dang it, I didn't really want to look at them, but I wanted them to see me looking. Homie! Why? Why would you do that, man? It scared me. I'm delicate. Do people not understand that word? Prius? I'm delicate. No, I wanted to look at them so they would look at me and we both look at each other and break necks. Even though they're not like, I'm not looking at them because I'm like, oh, girls. No, I just wanted them. They were just the ones that I wanted to look at. So do that break neck thinking. I always think that's cool. But yeah, I should reserve that only for chicks that I'm like, or dudes that I'm like, I should only reserve it for them. Ooh. Oh, no. I've seen that dude every time. Every single week that dude's out. Every single week that F-Type Jaguar is out. Hustling! Nah, but seriously, I like, why? Oh, old chick? Sorry, dog. Didn't see you. Cause you old. You're gone. Hello? Hello? Hello! Dude, wave. Or get some waves. Hey! Hey! I'm here! God damn it, son. Nah, but seriously, I just did it to break necks. But no, we're gonna keep that. And don't forget, alright? I still remember Olive Top. God damn, do I think about it a lot? Or do I think about it every freaking day? Yes, I do. Olive Top. Olive Top, if you are out there, my body, or no, F that, my soul still desires you. And if you're out there, I know you're thinking about me, but do you think about me as often as I think about you? Tell me about that, man. Tell me about that. Sorry, Corolla. I was a bit quicker. Shorty, you get to stare at them cheeks. So go for it. Make that switch. Come look at me. Why do I keep hearing sirens? Or is that a telephone? Pick up the goddamn phone! Why do I keep hearing... Ooh, oh! I have not seen that guy in ages. The bronze gold Aventador. I have not seen that dude in ages. I keep hearing this ringing, like the phone's ringing or there's sirens. Pick up the damn phone! Somebody out there, their phone is ringing and they're not picking it up. Pick it up. Pick up the goddamn phone. So what were we talking about? I forgot. Aventador, yeah, I've seen that guy. I haven't seen him in a long time though, so it's nice to see him around. We have clown with him. We didn't shine on him, and I couldn't run it back and throw a bomb on him. And I think we lost that one, or it was close or something like that. I have some weird memory about it, but I don't remember all the way. But we're not going to chase him. I would have, but we're headed home right now, so we're not going to do any of that business. What we were talking about, Olive Top. Olive Top, I think about you a lot. Olive Top, dear Olive Top. G-string, green thing, whatever we called you. This is Green Ranger, J. Cole, Lil Wayne. Anyways, I just wanted to say that Olive Top, dear my beloved Olive Top, I think about you a lot. I think about you a lot. Do you think about me? Some days I'm just laying around and I'm thinking like, what's Olive Top doing? Is she still wearing that olive top? What other tops does she have? And is they olive as well? Is olive her favorite color? Is green her favorite color? Am I her favorite color? Things like that I think about. Things like that make me think about her, and I think that she thinks about me when she sees other men, maybe motorcycles, maybe both, and she thinks about me. I feel like she knows who I am. I feel like she knows me without knowing me at all. You know, like a soul-to-soul kind of thing. Either way, I think about you and I miss you. Nothing more, nothing more. We're going to keep it short and sweet, but just remember that you ain't alone. You got me. Alright, so don't ever worry about that. I'm always going to be here for you. I'm always going to be thinking about you. Whenever you're doing something, you know, you're out there, you know, squatting it up, or getting some thicker thighs, or, you know, going shopping, sitting, reading a book, brushing your teeth, just think about me. Because I think about you when I do all of those things. When was the last time I thought about it? I think yesterday, because I was thinking about going riding. I was choosing Nimbus or Broly, which you guys always choose Nimbus for some reason. I was thinking about it. But anyways, with that Olive Top, I want to just think about you for a little while longer. So we're going to let you go, and we're going to ride. That's my love story, or my love letter to her, Olive Top, for riding insane. I ate some booty. For some reason, people will be driving I-8s, never be speeding. They just be driving their I-8s around. I wonder why. Like, homie, you in the club, but why isn't you not dancing? What's the point of going to the club if you're not going to dance? What's the point of going to that car if you're not going to speed? Just a little. Gunning here and there. I got myself a super bike. I'm not gunning it all the time, but I do stuff like that sometimes. Look at what you is on. I think it's a Street Fighter. No, it's a Ducati. It's an R1. The first one was a Super Sport, the ugly ones. No, keep going. There you go. I'm gonna stop here. Oh, old dude. Alright. I wish I gunned this and hit the freaking back of that Ultima instead of letting these old douchebags. Never mind. Shorty. I got it. Days back to normal. This dude's the father. That's the father's brother. The girl is an orphan, and that's the old lady they picked up on the side of the road. That's the old lady they picked up from the side of the road. That is so messed up. She was wandering and they just picked her up. Or she started following. Oh man, I crack myself up sometimes, man. Nah, but I'm sorry, shorty. You might have them black shorts on, but them black shorts ain't gonna walk your way to my heart. I can tell you that. Or maybe they will. I don't know. I'm just really hot right now, and I don't know. I'm about to say something that I would never say ever again, but I really couldn't care less about girls right now. And that's a lie. I love them. Don't ever say that again. Saying. Whether it's hot, whether it's cold, my love burns through my loins. Man, that looks so beautiful. The Mexicana Oceana. Mexican Ocean right there. Palm tree in the middle of the ocean. I like that. Two people in the middle of the ocean. Or is that an otter? I love otters. My spirit animal is an otter. Tesla, what about that, huh? You were speeding, but you can't pass me, dog. Change lane and come look at these butt cheeks, but you can't swap lanes. Because you can't, because you're gone. But see, now I'm thinking about the girl in the black shorts. What is wrong with me? Why am I such a slut? I was just announcing my love for someone else, and now the black shorts girl, she's in my mind. Why? Ooh, lovers. Chunky lovers. How about you guys walk your way holding hands to a gym and lift together? I don't know. How would I say that? Do what you want with your life. I don't really care. Look, they took off the hoop off the basketball court. And we got another La Policia effing up someone's day. Probably a homeless dude. Telling him to go be homeless somewhere else, probably. This video is dedicated to black shorts. I don't even know. Like, no, it's not, but it's just fun to say that. Whether it is or it's not, it's just fun to say that. I want to dedicate this video to somebody. I would dedicate it to Megan Fox. But she broke my heart, man. Megan Fox broke my heart. She is getting railed right now by a dude who has a body of a stick figure and the ugliest tattoos ever. And I don't listen to his rap, but she's getting railed right now by him. She's bumping bellies with him. Okay, you know that girl in the black shorts? That girl in the olive shorts or whatever looks just like her. See, that's how much I don't care about the girl in the black shorts, M2 or something. But for some reason, I keep thinking about her now. I need to see something else to take my mind off of black shorts. Now, I would again say Megan Fox, but she is getting railed by somebody who shouldn't be railing her, man. I liked when she was with Brian Austin Green, but she had like 6 kids or something. I don't know. I stopped following her because she just made so many decisions in her life that really hurt me in my heart. I have feelings, all right? GT2RS. GT2RS. I also have feelings, emotions, things like that. How much more can I take, Megan? Huh? How much more can I take? Funny thing is, I've never called her Megan. I've always called her Megan Fox. So when I just said Megan, it felt weird. Alberta? Where the F is that? That's not America. I mean, Mexico. That's not in Mexico. Sounds Canadian. So we are headed home because I am burning up like a mug. The Jonas Brothers song? Burning up for you, baby. But yeah, Megan Fox, like, man, shorty, what decisions of life are you making? And I feel like she needs a life coach, and I feel like that life coach needs to be me. Because right now she's making some real ditzy, she's making some real stupid decisions right now in her life, and I do not approve of those at all. Like, hell nah, hell no. Do I approve of those decisions? I do not. I don't know what she's doing, getting railed again, bumping bellies again with Machine Gun Kelly. Like, what is that about? Plus, I do diss Eminem just for clout, and like, you gonna have him drilling you down? Like, no, man. Like, I already got super hurt when she started that freaking Botox surgery stuff. I was like, dude, you messing with a masterpiece. Don't do that, chick, shorty. Like, what you, like, seriously. I'm not saying she's the hottest girl ever, but she has something going on about her that just fit, and that just looked good. And she messed that up with all those surgeries and stuff like that, and I'm just like, damn it, man. Remember that song? Damn it, man. But she just, you know, she's been hurting me so much lately that I kind of feel like I just gotta distance myself from her for some time, and we gotta reevaluate my feelings for her currently, because I'm just not digging her like I used to. We already took off the name off of the R6 because she hurt my feelings. Like, I feel stuff too, you know. I have feelings, and you know, I have a baby little heart, and like, you know, there's things that hurt me too. Why doesn't she ever think about the decisions she's making and how they affect me? How do they affect me? How does it look like to you guys that me loving Megan Fox and she's getting think of a word, she's getting sauced up by some weird looking douchebag? How does that look to me, man? Does she not care how it, like, people are gonna see me now? And I'm over here just, you know, taking it in the face as well. It's like, does she not think about me? Does she not care what her actions do to others and F others, what her actions are doing to me? Nah, but it hurts, man, it hurts. I just can't help but talk about it. Do we call our R6 Megan anymore? No, we call her Kakarot. Alright? And if I had a kitty, I'd name her Kakarot or him Kakarot, because I think it's a badass name because it goes for Goku. And Goku's never hurt my heart before! He's never hurt me before! But Megan just can't help but hurt me. And I think I've outgrown her. To be honest, I feel like I've outgrown her. There's my life, I know what you guys are thinking, saying, what are you talking about? You're a slut. Every single video we see you, you know, thirsting over another girl. First of all, thirst me? No. I'm quenched. Alright? Hashtag quenched. I don't thirst for anyone. But I love girls, you know, in a nice, holy way, all right? Holy way. Holy man liking girls of that nature. Pretty stuff. Things. Cars. Boys' bodies. Not boys' bodies, but boys. Men. F that. Not boys, but men. You know, pretty stuff, pretty things. I dig it. I like it. I got feelings. I got things that I enjoy. Gun the F out of here with the stupid sluts in front of me. Is she dead to me? No. Have I disowned her? Hell no. Do I still, you know, look at her if I see a picture of her? Do my eyes wander? Maybe. Maybe. Alright? I still love women. But I've taken measures to take part of me, of her that was within me, out of my heart. Not like a tattoo or anything. Hell no. F tattoos. Staining your body. Work out and make your body into a Greek god or a Greek goddess. Don't taint it. Alright? Don't taint it. Yeah. Taint it with tattoos. It's not cool. Keep it all nice and clean. There was another road that we could have taken that was a lot more scenic, but it would have added to the ride. And your boy is a roasting. So who will take her place? All the girls of the world. That's who. Alright? All the beautiful females of this world. Those people, ladies, and men. Again, we don't discriminate here. Anything pretty is going to take that place. But it has to be a body. Person. Human. Damn it. Third try, still got it. Took me 3 tries, but I got it. I was gonna say something warm, but that just sounds gross. Anyways, this is Ronnie Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And I'm out. Mega Fox is gone. But I'm here. You guys are here. What more do I need? Hotness. That's what I need. Hotness. Anyways, I'm out. Peace.